Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct, and right behind me we have a Corvette C8 that we just outfitted with a set of MRR. So on the front of this vehicle, we outfitted it with 19 8.5 50120 all black. These are hub centric to the vehicle, and then conical seat lug nuts were added, 14 1.5. And we used the same factory rubber, which is a 245 35 19 on the front, and then corresponding rear will be a 20 by 11 with a 305 30 20. So this setup is real nice, factory fit, so it'll just plug and play to any Corvette C8 that you may have. So as you guys can see, flush fitment, perfect for any Corvette C8 owner. So if you guys are looking for this setup or any others, feel free to give me a shout. I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you.